Hello again. Okay, how about a keto-friendly cheesecake, okay? So obviously we have to omit the crust, but no worries, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a 9-inch springform. This on the bottom here is greased parchment paper, okay? Go ahead and line your springform with foil, okay? So I had to use two slices of foil, one this way and one this way, and you'll see why later, okay? So what you're gonna do is have your mixer ready, okay? This is totally gonna save you time and effort. You're going to need 3 Okay, so after you have your cheesecake in the oven for about 70 to 90 minutes, obviously I wasn't going to try to record while I'm taking this out of the oven, but see, this is the water bath, the roasting pan it was in. You're going to remove your cheesecake. You want it to jiggle just a little bit in the middle, just like so. You let it cool to room temperature, okay? Once it cools to room temperature, run a knife around the edges to loosen it up. And then once you run your knife through it, refrigerate it at least 4 hours before you attempt to loosen the springform. And that's it.